I built secret storage that helps me keep private stuff. Save. You see, I've been facing a challenge, which is when I'm journaling before bed and I'm cooling down. The journal is here in this drawer, but my sister found it one day and read all of it. And if I don't keep it there, I have to get up, grab it. And by then, my motivation is vanished. I want to fulfill 3 objectives, and we will get to them while progressing in the build. Goal 1, make it in reach. The idea is to fit it in my desk, and where exactly, more about that later. Goal 2, make storage big enough. To fit my journals and goal-setting paper, I took the measurements, designed a customized compartment using AutoCAD, and printed it out. And if you want to make this, check the first link in the description. First cut the paper, and I cut them out with a sharp blade and stuck them on cardboard. Please rip the paper out after you cut it because I had big problems later. I realized the cardboard is broken. I fixed it. Once I have cut it, it's all the pieces. It's time to glue them with a hot glue gun. Be careful because it can make a big mess. Later, it wouldn't even go in because of the friction after the removal. It went in smoothly, but this cardboard part was a bit bent, so I broke this area, plus the paper also came off. But I glued all of it again, and it worked. Afterwards, I grabbed a stick, broke it, and with a rubber band, I glued it with super glue so the drawer doesn't come off while opening it. For the goals paper, I bent some thin cardboard so it doesn't get in the way. After everything working perfectly, I covered everything with white paper. Later, I took some elastic and stuck it so the paper wouldn't fall off. Now I can easily paint it black. Goal 3, make it secretly hidden. I took the drawer of my desk out and glued it onto it. Now it's in reach. It has all 3 of my main private stuff and it's hidden from everyone. Can you see it? Because it's deep in here. Don't forget to download the template because until 17th October, it is free. Did you know what else you can hide secretly? Wolverine claws under your sleeve. Never let them know your next move. Become a hero in a second. Watch this video now and subscribe for more.